Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Canva upload errors, beginner guide step by step clearly. If you're experiencing upload errors in Canva, follow these steps to resolve the issue. First, check your internet connection. Ensure it's stable and functioning properly. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router or switching to a different network. Next, clear your browser cache and cookies. This can resolve many issues related to web applications. After clearing your cache, restart your browser. Then, reload the Canva website. If you're still having trouble, try using a different browser. Some browsers may have compatibility issues with web applications. Ensure that your browser is updated to the latest version. If the issue persists, try using the Canva mobile app. This can serve as an alternative for uploading your files. Next, check the file type you're trying to upload. Canva supports various formats, including PNG, JPG, and PDF. If your file type is unsupported, convert it to a compatible format. Also, pay attention to the file size. Canva has a limit on the size of files you can upload. If your file is too large, compress it using an online tool. Next, ensure your device has enough storage available. If your storage is full, it may prevent file uploads. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Canva support. They can provide assistance tailored to your specific problem. Following these steps should help you fix upload errors in Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.